If you're looking for the best NAS device in 2026, a network-attached storage system can be a great way to centralize your files, create backups, stream media, and access your data across multiple devices. But NAS systems come in many different sizes and performance levels. Some are designed for beginners and home users, while others offer multiple drive bays, high-speed networking, NVMe storage, and powerful processors. In this video, we're looking at 6 of the best NAS devices for 2026, from affordable 2-bay systems to powerful 8-bay all-SSD NAS solutions. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. Synology DS223. The DS223 is focused on making file storage, backup, and data management easier. With 2 drive bays, you can install compatible hard drives or SSDs and create your own centralized storage system. One of the biggest advantages of Synology NAS devices is the software ecosystem. You can use the NAS to organize files, back up computers and mobile devices, and access your data from different devices. It can also be useful for monitoring and other home office applications, depending on the software and configuration you use. Pros: 2 drive bays, great for home and office backups, centralized file storage, Synology software ecosystem, private cloud functionality, suitable for beginners, compact design. Overall, the Synology DS223 is a great choice for users who want a simple, dependable NAS for backups, file sharing, and personal cloud storage. Number 2. TERRAMASTER F8 SSD Plus. This is an 8-bay NAS designed specifically around SSD storage. It features an Intel Core i3 8-core processor and 16 gigabytes of DDR5 memory. One of its biggest highlights is the 10 GBE networking port, which can provide much faster data transfers than traditional 1 GBE networking when the rest of your network supports those speeds. The system also includes 8 heat sinks for SSD cooling, and its compact design makes it an interesting option for users who want high-performance storage without a traditional large NAS enclosure. Pros: 8 SSD bays, Intel Core i3 8-core processor, 16 gigabytes DDR5 RAM, 10 GBE networking, designed for all SSD storage, multiple heat sinks for cooling, compact high-performance design. Overall, the TERRAMASTER F8 SSD Plus is a powerful option for creative professionals, power users, and anyone building a high-speed all-SSD NAS. Number 3. UGREEN NAS DH2300. This 2-bay NAS focuses on making private cloud storage and device backups accessible to everyday users. It can be used for phone backups, file sharing, multi-device backups, remote access, and home entertainment. The system includes 4 gigabytes of onboard RAM and supports features such as AI-powered photo organization and private cloud access. If you're looking to move your important files and photos away from relying entirely on cloud services, a device like this can be an attractive option. Pros: 2-bay design, beginner-friendly concept, phone backup support, private cloud functionality, remote access, multi-device backup, AI photo organization, 4 gigabytes RAM. Overall, the UGREEN NAS DH2300 is a good choice for beginners and personal users who want an easy way to build their own private cloud and backup system. Number 4. ASUSTOR Drivestor Gen 2 AS1202T. The ASUSTOR Drivestor Gen 2 AS1202T, another 2-bay NAS designed for home users and beginners. This model features a quad-core 1.7 GHz processor, 1 GB of DDR4 memory, and a 2.5 GBE networking connection. The 2.5 GBE port is particularly useful if you have a compatible network because it can offer faster file transfers than traditional gigabit Ethernet. The NAS can also function as a 4K media server, making it useful for users who want to store and stream their personal media collection. Pros: 2 drive bays, quad-core processor, 2.5 GBE networking, 4K media server capabilities, entry-level friendly, personal cloud functionality, compact design. Overall, the ASUSTOR Drivestor Gen 2 is a solid option for home users who want faster than gigabit networking and basic media server functionality. Number 5. TERRAMASTER F4-425 Pro, a more powerful 4-bay NAS designed for users who need additional storage and performance. It features an Intel N305 8-core processor with 8 GB of RAM. For networking, it offers two 5GBE LAN ports, which can provide high-speed connectivity for demanding file transfer workloads. The NAS also includes 3 M.2 slots, providing additional flexibility for NVMe storage and caching depending on the configuration. It runs TerraMaster's TOS 7 operating system and is positioned as an AI-oriented NAS platform. Pros: 4 drive bays, Intel N305 8-core processor, 8 GB RAM, 2 5GBE LAN ports, 3 M.2 slots, TOS 7 operating system, good expansion potential, suitable for media server workloads. Overall, the TERRAMASTER F4-425 Pro is a strong choice for power users who want 4 bays, fast networking, and multiple M.2 slots. Number 6. UGREEN NAS DXP 4800 Plus. This is a powerful 4-bay NAS system designed for users who want desktop performance and plenty of connectivity. The system uses an Intel Pentium Gold 8505 5-core processor and comes with 8 GB of DDR5 RAM. For networking, you get both a 10 GBE port and a 2.5 GBE port, giving you flexible high-speed connectivity. The NAS also includes a built-in 128 GB SSD, 2 M.2 NVMe slots, and a 4K HDMI output. With 4 drive bays plus NVMe expansion, this system can be configured for a combination of large capacity storage and high-speed storage. Pros: 4 drive bays, Intel Pentium Gold 8505 processor, 8 GB DDR5 RAM, 10 GBE networking, additional 2.5 GBE port, built-in 128 GB SSD, 2 M.2 NVMe slots, 4K HDMI output, strong expansion potential. Overall, the UGREEN DXP 4800 Plus is an excellent choice for power users who want fast networking, multiple storage options, and strong expansion potential. So, which NAS device should you choose? If you want a simple and dependable NAS for home or office backups, the Synology DS223 is a great starting point. If you want an 8-bay all-SSD NAS with 10 GBE networking and high performance, the TERRAMASTER F8 SSD Plus is the standout choice. For beginners and personal cloud users, the UGREEN NAS DH2300 offers a straightforward 2-bay solution. If you're looking for an entry-level NAS with 2.5 GBE networking and 4K media server capabilities, the ASUSTOR Drivestor Gen 2 AS1202T is worth considering. For power users who need 4 bays, dual 5 GBE networking, and multiple M.2 slots, the TERRAMASTER F4-425 Pro is a strong option. And if you want a powerful 4-bay NAS with 10 GBE, 2.5 GBE, NVMe expansion, and 4K HDMI output, the UGREEN DXP 4800 Plus is one of the most versatile choices on this list. Ultimately, the best NAS depends on your storage capacity, network speed, number of users, media server needs, and budget. Before buying, remember that all 6 models listed here are diskless NAS systems, so you'll need to purchase compatible storage drives separately. Thanks for watching.